MUTONGORIA wa BURURI DORCAS Rigari thenya wa mothini akorirwo akiruta MUKANA MURURU kuri aria marathondekana kwendia njohi cia ibango na rondo umwe na njohi cia kulevya BURURIINI akiuga thirikari SHEBA KUNINA BIASHARA ino KAIMANA kiariria nja ya wabici wa MUNINI wa County Commissioner wa County ya KIAMBUU DORCAS NIAUGITE ona thengia wa thirikari kwambiriria MUNGURURIO wa Dawa ici kwina andu maromia kiongo na guthie na mbere na kwenderia mbeu jithi na ripoti yake ninyititwo mbaru ni mutongoria wa kiama kia kuhurana na dawa cia kulevya kia NACADA na munini wake uria uthite na mbere na kuga ni marathie na mbere na kwambiriria ripoti ino niguo kuhurana na njohi cia ibango thiini wa bururi na makiria thiini wa county ngurani.
No way we are going to allow their satanic agenda to destroy our boy child and to put them into drugs, illicit alcohol and poisons that are killing them every day. And therefore, I'm so glad that right now the national government, the county government, the police and the administration and everybody, including the president, the deputy president, we are out to get this devil. And I can tell him he has no place. Our children are coming back. We are fighting to claim our boy child back.
Where we go in the country, people complain and say we are trying our best, but we are being let down. But the police in this county has done a great job. Let's appreciate them. They have done a wonderful job in following through and coming, working through with the church and standing and working with the Ngao to see that together we can achieve.
Our core values in NACADA is creativity and innovation. And this is a learning experience. We don't want to be relying on foreigners, wakuja watuambie the way we can reform our people. And it's very expensive, Your Excellency. So this is something which we are willing to document and we want to replicate it elsewhere. So, Your Excellency, tutatumia hii kama mfano so that we can also have Kenyans coming here and learning. We can also have other people coming from other countries to learn. Hata Mwafrika anaweza fanya kitu. Hii mambo ya kusema, you have heard His Excellency the President akisema lazima tujitegemee. Hii mambo ya kukimbia kwa wazungu saa zote, mimi naona haitawezekana. We must find our own local solutions.
Tugagicokeria mutumia wa munini wa mutongoria wa BURURI DORCAS GACHAGUA ngatho ni tondu wa ukorwo akihimbiria kana akirwa na dawa ici cia kulevya makiria kuri mbeu njithi tugithie na mbere ni ati munini